For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Blackstone 2450AZ 28-inch Omnivore Griddle Bundle is a complete setup for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. This bundle comes with a 28-inch Omnivore griddle with hood, a soft cover, and 2 spatulas, everything you need to cook a variety of meals efficiently and enjoyably. The Omnivore griddle plate is built for reliable and consistent cooking. With built-in wind guards, it keeps the heat steady even on breezy days. Faster preheat and recovery times let you start cooking quickly, and the even heat distribution ensures your food cooks perfectly every time. From my experience, flipping burgers and pancakes feels effortless, and the griddle uses less fuel than I expected, which is a real bonus. This griddle offers a versatile cooking surface. You can cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner all on the same surface. I've personally made pancakes in the morning, stir-fry at lunch, and grilled veggies for dinner. It handled everything smoothly, just like a full outdoor kitchen. The included weather-resistant soft cover is made from heavy-duty 600D polyester canvas and shields the griddle from rain, dust, and sun. Buckles hold it securely in place, keeping your griddle protected and ready for the next cook. 2 spatulas make flipping, stirring, and moving food simple. Whether I'm handling multiple items at once or delicate pancakes, having 2 spatulas makes the process easier and more enjoyable. Overall, the Blackstone 2450AZ Omnivore Griddle Bundle is a reliable, efficient solution for outdoor cooking. Its versatile surface, protective cover, and included tools make it perfect for anyone looking to cook multiple meals outdoors while keeping cleanup simple and the griddle protected.